guy told me was this one. I could not believe it. Insane. Insane. Alright, so this is the front door, and it has a passcode on it. And then from here, there's two apartments, 1 and 2. This is our apartment. And let's start the tour. So it's a mini kitchen here right after you enter the apartment. The one thing that I don't like, and let me put it this way, actually, the one thing that I need is missing. Not that I necessarily need it, but the one thing that I would have liked to have instead of all these things would have been a small fridge. Okay, now let's go into, actually I'm going to show you the bedroom. This is how the bedroom looks like. You have this fan over here, and you have the AC. You don't have a wardrobe. I'm sure there will be people in the comment section saying, oh, that's BS, you don't have a wardrobe. Well, guys, for me it's fine. Yes, I would have preferred I had a wardrobe, but this is okay. It's not a big deal. I don't have that many clothes. It's fine. I'm a man. I can survive with little stuff, so it's okay. So let me actually turn on the light here just real quick. I think it's... Whoop. Sorry guys, I just arrived here, so I'm not really used with everything yet. So this is the apartment. Size is perfect for me. You have a little table there, 2 chairs. The other problem, and that's a bigger problem than the fridge. The fridge, okay, I can survive without that. But the other, the other problem, which it's bothering me right now, is that so I wanted to have a desk, and this was one of the reasons why I got this studio apartment. But the other problem is, and the big problem, is that there is no signal. It's a low signal, and I think I know why. I'm gonna show you in a second, but in the meanwhile, or not in the meanwhile, let me now show you the bathroom. Bathroom is really nice, at least in my opinion. It's nice. And then, yeah, we have this beautiful shower, toilet over there, and we have a window. It's great. Yeah, the sink. And that's about it, guys. This is how the apartment looks like inside. Now, let me tell you, or show you rather, why I think I know why I don't have signal. I'm gonna have to do this. It's a little too dark though. Let me just... Boom. Are you ready? Oh no, for real. Are you ready? Because I know I wasn't. I know I wasn't. "41st floor in a 60 or 62, I'm not sure, 60 or 62 floor building. That's insane. But I'm gonna tell you a little issue with this. I want to show you actually, so bear with me because I want to show you something beautiful. You can see thunder lights. I think that's how it's called, thunder lights, in the sky. It was a little cloudy today. I think it also rained a little bit. So there's been, can you see? There's been thunder lights in the sky, and it's absolutely beautiful. I don't even know if the camera can catch it as nicely as I see it in reality, but it's absolutely beautiful from here. Being honest with you guys, never stayed at a place in such a high floor. But yeah, it's amazing. Let's wait for a few more seconds and see if we catch some more. You saw that one over there and that one, yeah. Alright. The problem with this is, though, there's two problems. This window, as you can see, doesn't lock properly. And that would not be necessarily a problem if we were not at floor 41. That would not be necessarily a problem. In fact, if the window would not open outside. The window opens on the outside, guys. Floor 41. So normally, as far as I've experienced in life, windows open on the inside. But these open on the outside. And I had this once, and I was at the 3rd floor, guys, and the window would open on the outside, and it would just freak me out. I would have nightmares years after with that window that opens on the outside. Well, the thing is also, and I'm so sorry, you cannot actually, I'm looking at the phone and I'm looking directly over the phone through the window. It's nothing. The phone cannot catch the way it looks in reality. And this is like floor to top type of window, and it's right near the bed. So literally, let me turn on lights. But yeah, I was having nightmares with that, with that window opening and being taken out or off by a strong wind, because that have happened to some of my neighbors, in fact. Very crazy. And they actually used some wooden plaques, I think that's the word, to cover that that missing window, in fact, and essentially. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is the view. I wonder really excuse me, I wonder really how it looks in the morning. I wonder if you can see the sunrise from here, or even how it looks in the evening if you can see the sunset. But it's amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah. never seen fireworks from above. Alright, so we are settled in. This is how the apartment looks like during the day. And if the sound quality is different, it's because I don't have the mic. I'm not using a mic right now, so it's just the phone's microphone. But anyways, here is a little bit of my stuff. It's absolutely amazing to go to bed and wake up seeing this 41st floor. And I should have probably recorded this video in the morning. It looked even better. But it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And by the way, I was saying in the other video that this window does not close. It does. It's actually very smart. You cannot open it like it's a little harder to open it. Let me show you outside. And there is a construction site over there, but it's so far away from here. And when they work, I think they're working now also, you can see that moving, but you cannot really hear much. But this is how quiet it is up here. It's absolutely amazing. Coming from Thailand to this, it's almost like you're not used to it, being this quiet. Well, I like it, I love it. But this is how it looks during the day. Yep. And the kitchen over there. Working table, bed is very comfortable. Yeah, that's it. That's the apartment. My apartment in Kuala Lumpur. The view is absolutely amazing. Have this, you also have the aircon over there. Awesome. Let me know what you think.